Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. Today we're going to continue our next subtopic, tangents to circles. Now, what is tangent to circles? Tangent to a circle is a straight line that touches the circle at only one point, right? So, a circle, straight line touches the circles. So, all the straight line here touches the circle at one point. Okay, so you call it as tangent to a circle. Alright, when a tangent and radius intersect at a point of tangency, 90 degrees will form at this point. Okay, so you can see here, this is the radius and this is the tangent. So if these two lines intersect, this one will be perpendicular, right? So it will form 90 degrees. In any form will do, as long as it is a tangent to a circle, right? Okay, example 1. O is the center of the circle and PQR is a straight line. Calculate the value of x. We try to apply the property just now. Okay, when a radius intersect with a tangent, it will form 90 degrees here. And this is a right angle triangle. Total angle in one triangle is equals to 180. Okay, so therefore you will have our x 30 degrees. Okay, go to example 2. Diagram shows a circle with center O. Okay, PS is the tangent to the circle and QUT. Okay, QUT is angle at the circumference. Okay, so calculate the value of x. So radius and tangent, it will form 90 degrees here. So before that, we want to calculate the angle of x. What is the angle here? This is the angle at the center of the circle and this is the angle at the circumference. Okay, so recall the properties of angle circles. So we're gonna have x is equals to 50. So x is equals to 180 minus or subtract with these two angles. How this 50 exists? So this 50 comes from angle at the center of the circle. 90 is the angle from intersecting between the radius and the tangent. Okay, so when we add both these three angles, we're going to have 180. Therefore, our x is equals to 40 degrees. Okay, now we're going to go through with the properties related to two tangents to a circle. Please remember all this, right? Okay, these are the two tangents, A, B and BC. There are two tangents, right? Okay, the first one, CB equals to AB. Okay, these two lengths, they are equal. OA equals to OC. Okay, the radius equal. Angle OAB and OAC is 90. Okay, so this is the intersection between the radius and the tangent. Angle OBA equals to angle OBC. Okay, and then angle AOB and angle COB, these two Y. Okay, same angle. Triangle AOB and triangle COB, they are congruent. Remember, congruent, the terms congruent, exactly the same. Okay, now angle AOC, this angle, and angle ABC, these two opposite angles, when we add both, it is equals to 180. So remember, opposite angle, total is equals to 180. Okay, so all these properties related to two tangents to a circle. Okay, now we try to apply all those properties to this question. The first one, given O is the center of the circle, PH and PG are tangents. So what is the length of PG? Right? So what is the answer? The answer is 10 cm. Then what is the value of X? Okay, so now we have to do some working. So remember, the intersection between radius and the tangent, it will give you 90 degrees, right? Okay, and then angle OPH is equals to angle OPG because they are two triangles which are congruent, right? So we will have our X equals to 64 degrees. Okay. Example 2. O is the center of the circle. PT and PR are tangents to the circle. Find the value of X. Okay, before that, we have to do some working. Okay, try to analyze. What is PQRS? You can see here, it is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? So, the angle opposite in the cyclic quadrilateral is equals to 180. So, find out the angle PQR first. Okay, so your PQR is equals to 78 degrees. Okay, now when we want to find out X and angle POR, remember the properties just now, when you add both angle is equals to 180. So what is the value of POR? So this is the angle at the center, this is the angle at the circumference. So just now PQR 78. So your POR is 2 times angle PQR, which will give you 156 degrees. Okay, so after that, we're going to find out what is our X. Okay, so you add angle X with angle POR, it will give you 180. So therefore, your X is equals to 24 degrees. Right? Okay, the relationship of the angle between tangent and chord. What is the relationship? So what angle between tangent and chord? So where is it? So look at angle Y. This is the tangent and this is the chord. So Y is the angle between the tangent and the chords. Alternate segment subtended by the chord. Where is the angle? Okay, alternate segment. What does it mean? Okay, this is your X. Okay, this is minor segment and EB is the chord. Okay, so X is the angle in the alternate angle which is subtended by chord EB. So what is the relation between these two angles? Okay, so BDE is the angle of the major segment which is subtended by the chord BE. Okay, I repeat, BDE is the angle of the major segment which is subtended by the chord BE. So the relationship is both angle they are equal. X equals to Y. So you have to know the position, right? Okay, never mind. The next one, the same thing. So where is the angle? So this is the angle between the chord and the tangent Q. So you try to figure out where is the segment which touch this angle. So this is the chord and this is the segment. So angle alternate or opposite to it is P, right? Okay, so angle P and angle Q, they are equal. Okay, try to apply to this example. Example 1. O is the center of the circle. Okay, it doesn't give that. Never mind. Okay, PQR is the tangent to the circle. Okay, so find the value of X. Okay, now search for angle between the chord and the tangent. Okay, so this is the angle. Okay, you can do that working direct. You can get your X by minus or subtract with these two angles, or you can use this straight line. The whole angle on a straight line is 180, remember? Okay, so PQT, this angle, okay, is angle between the chord and the tangent. So opposite to that segment is X. So you will have your X 180, subtract with these two angles, you're going to have this angle. Okay, so you will have your X. Okay, example 2. PQR is the tangent. Find the value of X. Okay, so try to study where is the angle at between the chord and the tangent. So angle X is here. So meaning now this is the angle that we're going to search for, right? Okay, you can see this is the chord and this is the segment. So opposite to it is 105 given here. So these two angles, they are equal, right? Okay, so your X is equals to 55 degrees. Okay. Okay class, we'll continue later. Thank you.